This explanatory narrative concerns the meaning and implications of the Tesla reduced power warning, a diagnostic condition that is best understood as a non-story technical explanation rather than a fictional account. The warning appears when the vehicle detects a limitation in available propulsion power, typically as a protective response to thermal stress, battery management constraints, or faults in the drive system. In academic terms, the message should not be interpreted as a single defect, but as a general indicator that the vehicle has entered a conservative operating mode in order to preserve components and maintain safety. A driver who encounters the warning may experience slower acceleration, restricted top speed, or a reduced ability to sustain performance under load. These symptoms are not arbitrary. They reflect the control system balancing efficiency, temperature, and electrical integrity. In many cases, the vehicle is deliberately limiting output because a subsystem has exceeded normal operating parameters, such as the battery becoming too cold or too hot, the inverter overheating, or a sensor reporting abnormal readings. The significance of the warning lies in its ambiguity. It can indicate a temporary condition that resolves after the car cools down or warms up, or it can point to an underlying issue that requires service. For that reason, the most rational response is not panic, but structured observation. The driver should note the driving conditions, ambient temperature, recent charging behavior, and whether the limitation persists after a restart or short period of rest. If the warning disappears quickly, the event may have been caused by environmental stress or momentary load demand. If it returns repeatedly, the probability of a mechanical or electrical fault increases. Under those circumstances, diagnostic inspection becomes essential because the warning is less a final verdict than a signal that the vehicle has detected a condition outside its intended range. In practical terms, understanding the Tesla reduced power warning requires viewing it as a protective language of the vehicle itself. The system is not merely informing the driver of diminished performance, it is communicating that the machine has chosen caution over capacity. That choice preserves reliability, but it also demands attention. The most effective interpretation, therefore, is one that combines technical awareness with disciplined troubleshooting, allowing the warning to serve as an early guide rather than an alarming mystery.